Hello and welcome back to MarineMax Cumming, Georgia. My name is Quinn Seagraves and today we're going to be walking through this beautiful Crest 240 DLX. The DLX stands for the deluxe interior package, so you will have diamond stitched interior accents on all the seats and you will get optional colors. You'll get the standard table and table base, movable cup holders, and a couple more goodies throughout. All Crest this year are coming with a cooler drawer and removable cooler to bring all the beverages or food on board. We've optioned this one with our dual captain's chair, so you and your companion can both sit comfortably facing forward or swivel in, face each other, or face the back to join the back entertainment area. The dash on this one is going to be nice and simple. It's going to give you everything you need while keeping it low profile. So you'll have the Fusion Bluetooth radio, hour meter, tachometer. You'll have a built-in phone charger, nice, easy, ergonomic access to your throttle. And as we walk back, you will have the quad lounger set up, so it's just a duplicate of the front. Down in here, you'll have access to both of your batteries and your battery tender. So assuming that you keep your batteries charged, which you just plug in an extension cord, should never come down to a dead battery or have issues on the water with batteries running dead. Here on the back, you will have a nice little platform to jump in and entertain on the back. Easy access to your 48-gallon fuel tank, and you can see we've optioned a large Mercury 225 horsepower motor on the back. Around that is the stainless steel tow bar with a bridle system, which is plenty of power and tow capabilities to pull tubers, skiers, and wakeboarders. This boat is wonderful for entertaining for you and 14 of your closest friends. So when you get a chance, give us a call. We'd love to take you out on the water.